I'm not gonna mess with that one too much. This one didn't really turn out too great, I'll be honest. Push this down. Alright, we're gonna call this in ever so slightly on this base. Halfway up. Swap hands. Or just cruise. What the heck? We're gonna figure out what we do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does kind of have that like grass at the bottom of the tree kind of look. We'll see. I think it looks okay. I'll go over. Anyway, this section over here, I think I kind of like the bottom that's a little bit wider than the top. I think, again, this starts getting it out of the micro and into the macro vision of this kind of tree surrounded by foliage. And so I think I kind of like that. I always thought that those spots on the interior there could be places for things to like sit and nest. So we'll see how that goes. And up above, I have maybe one of the most basic pots I made a little bit. It's not even, there's nothing really great about it, right? But again, you know, you always got to have the mundane to highlight the extraordinary. There's not really an extraordinary one here, but there is in the bunch overall, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. All the best and strong mentality.